Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change bio on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to open or launch your TikTok application. And then here you have to tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on your profile here. Here in your profile, you should see this edit profile and all you have to do is tap on edit profile. Under edit profile, you should see this bio option right here, and all you have to do is to click this one in order for you to change your bio. If you have entered or if you have add something here on your bio and you want to replace that, you just have to delete and then remove and add something like your favorite codes or even your website, your favorite line or whatsoever. So once you have done adding your new bio right here, then all you have to do is click on the save option above and it will save your new bio description automatically. So once done, then you can now go back and aside from changing your bio here on your edit profile or profile section, you can add your link here, your other platform, other social media account. And if you want to change your bio or replace it again, you can do it anytime. So that's how you change bio on TikTok. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.